Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Learners YouTube channel. Today in this session, we will learn how we can apply our develop content in any Word document where we are designing the books or any document where we need develop contents like reports, theses, vivas or anything that needs develop content inside our document. We can insert table in the table of content like chapter name, title of our topics for paragraph, or anything like pictures name, charts name, or tables name in here. So for this we will just click on very first point of our document and go to preferences and just click on here and choose our table. It's asking for first apply headings, so we'll click OK. Here is our table of contents inserted, but there is not any headings here appear, so we will apply headings in our document where we need to headings like this chapter number, chapter name, and we will give it to heading 1. So we will give it heading 1, and other our this type of document we will give it heading 2. Like key features, we will give heading number 3. This also heading number 3. So not sub type of heading, so this is heading number 2, and we can apply for each of these, but we are leaving it for now. In advantage, we will apply heading number 2, heading number 2 here also, and finally we will apply heading number 2 also. So we applied all headings, so in the conclusion also heading number 2. So let's see in the table of content what happens. Nothing happens. So for this update table, we'll updated it, and our all the contents of headings are applied here, appeared here. Chapter 1, computer overview, introduction to computer is the heading 1, and inside in the first one, and see, if we are using in the computer, click control plus click here, so we can go in the distance certain page. Like I want to go the application of computer, so with control I'm clicking on the 5 number, so I go on to the here. Thank you friends, thanks for watching. This is simple steps of applying the table of content inside our Word document. So in the next video we will apply some pictures here, and we'll add up here some headings like inside a feature of computer or anything. We can add other like if I add heading number like from here design, if I apply okay, from here shortcutly heading number okay 3, here is heading number 3. We are selecting inside, okay. At once if you apply heading number 3, you can fastly apply it. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Now this one. Oh, okay, let's selecting it. Again to these all, 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 10 11 1. We'll apply it once heading number 3. Okay, let's go to our table content and we'll update the entire table. So see, everything inside our topics are appeared here. If we go in the with control and click here, we'll go to the director there. We can use as a ebook in here, and we can print it as per our requirements. if I want to anything else inside this, we will add up in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you, friends.